Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we are in the port town of Coquimbo, Chile. Coquimbo, Chile, and this is the town stretching out before me here. I've walked all the way up to the top of Coquimbo where the cross of the Millennium is. And that's it. The cross of the Millennium. And underneath it here is a church.
He lost his wife now.
And he lost his wife, he says. Or somebody else did. So let's go in so that you can see it. I think it's saying there's a museum over there, but I don't know. Anyway, of course it's got a concrete roof, unpainted. But I think this is glass maybe? Nope, lights. We hiked up from the ship, and it was a pretty good hike. So I'm all sweaty now. And Janet's pointing at something, but I don't know what it is. Maybe these statues. So there's one over there. I would like you to note these doors. And that's where we are right there. Let's go look at this one. See, and so these are brass doors, right? I think they're brass. And they would close, and that quotation would go across. And there's another set here. That's the exit, salida. Here's the elevator. There's arrows. So I guess I went in the right way. I didn't know there was arrows. I never looked down. Radiation? UV? Anyway, of course we came up from this way. And this might be, see, Cruz del Tercer Millennium. And this is Our Lady of Mount Carmel, patron saint of Chile. And so of course we're right there. There it is in English. There's the ocean down there on that side, and the ocean over on that side.
Ready to go up?
And Janet thinks she's going to go up there. But I'm not so sure. There's the ship. Right there. Sapphire Princess. I'm not going to film the whole ascent. Record. But we'll go up to here. Cafe Grano. Oh, loose tiles. I hear people talking. Oh, they're up there. Oh, so now we're under it. So from Coquimbo, Chile, it's Gareth and Janet saying see you in the next port. Bye.